Morning and welcome to the Cat Show. I'm your host, Nanny Cat, and you are, of course, watching the Cat Show. How have you been? It's been ages. Been long you saw this face, I'm very sorry. I've been busy cooking something very special for you, so I don't have to come up on your screen just to bore your very day that is going on well. So, yes, my long absence is for good and not for bad. Alright, so today I have something special to talk about, and this is something that affected me and has affected me so many times, but I have decided I'm not going to keep quiet again because I know that it's not just me, and there are people out there that may be experiencing one or two things and presently maybe experiencing something now and are probably looking for somebody to talk to them or speak some sense into them. So this is me speaking some sense into you, girl, or you, man. If you're basing your hope, if you're basing your help on someone, on a mere mortal, honey, you are really on a very fast lane to crashing on your butts. Oh, crashing on your head. Exactly, yes. You know why I said this? Because human beings are very human. They can never stop being human. It takes a superhuman, a saint sent by God, to be the person or to be that particular help you're expecting them to bring on your way, especially now that you're facing a very particular, big, immense, strong challenge. Now, the only advice I have for you here is that you hold on to God. Tell God what it is you want him to do for you. Tell him your plans. He is the only one that deserves to know your plans from A to Z. You think you're having a financial problem, you don't really know how you're going to raise the money, you don't really know, and then you're expecting this politician or this big man to do the needful. Or probably he may have told you that, oh well, you guys, I'm going to help you. He may have given his big promises, and then you had your hopes very high, and then you're waiting for someone to do that help when you really need the help. I'm very sorry to disappoint you. I'm not laughing. I'm actually laughing at the devil. Yes, because I'm very sorry for that form of disappointment, because it's going to come. The only person you need is God. After God, the second person you need is yourself. Sorry. Excuse me. You need to be very strong. It's very necessary. You need to be very strong. And this strength is for yourself. You need it. Because when the disappointments will start rolling in, you will need that strength to keep on, you'll need that strength not to contemplate suicide or the worst or anything. You will need that strength to keep your head sane, clear, and of course listen to what God has for you, or his directions or his plans for you on that particular case. Now that, because this is within the period that people usually lose it. And then you see them writing suicide notes, you see them writing stuff like this, and then they talking about depression and all of those things. It's things like this that ushering stuff like that when you're expecting so much from people, and then you don't really get what you're expecting, and then you feel the world has come to an end. No, it hasn't. It hasn't, babe. It's just beginning. This is you growing. This is you seeing the world for what it is. This is you becoming mature. This is you stepping out from that level where you feel that everything works because you have the connection, because you have the network, because you're beautiful, because you're handsome, because you have chains of friends, because you have supporters. Oh my dear, shut the fuck up. You heard me? Shut up. You have nothing if you don't have God. Why? Because you find out that it is in that period that God is going to raise people you do not know to come to your help, to come to your aid. Oh my God, I'm very sorry if I'm sounding way too aggressive this morning, but it's because, that's the tone of this message. It's not a quiet one. Do you know what I'm saying? That I want you to stand up from that bed where you're lying. I want you to stand up from that place where you're sitting and feeling despaired. I want you to start seeing life for what it is. Be strong. You are way stronger than you think. Trust me. I am speaking from a whole lot of experience. Yeah. I have a long list, an encyclopedia of experience, and I will tell you that you are stronger than you think. Do you know the only thing you need? You need the Holy Spirit.